In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove saved photos on Pinterest. If your saved images, also known as pins, are getting a little cluttered, this will help you clean things up quickly and confidently without affecting the original posts on Pinterest. Start by opening your web browser and going to pinterest.com. Once the site loads, you'll be on your home feed or wherever you last left off. We're focusing on removing photos you've saved, so we'll head straight to the place where your collections live. Look to the left side of the screen and click on your boards. This is your organized space on Pinterest where you group pins into categories. It's also the jumping off point for finding items that haven't been filed into a board yet. Next, simply scroll down through this section. As you move down the page, you'll see your boards, and below those, you'll find a helpful area we're looking for today. Find the section labeled Unorganized Ideas. This is where Pinterest places pins you've saved that haven't been assigned to a specific board. Think of it as a holding tray for items you haven't sorted. It's a great spot to review and decide whether to keep, organize, or remove certain saves. Now select a photo you no longer want to keep. When the pin opens, look for the plus icon. Clicking this icon reveals additional actions you can take on that pin. While the plus icon is often associated with organizing or adding, it also exposes management options you need for cleanup. From the options that appear, click Delete. Pinterest may show a prompt to confirm your choice. Deleting a pin removes it from your saved items on your account. It does not delete the original content from Pinterest, it only removes your copy of the save. Once deleted, you won't see it in your unorganized ideas or boards anymore, so make sure you're removing the right item. Repeat this process for any other saved photos you no longer want. Open the boards area, scroll to Unorganized Ideas, select the photo, click the plus icon, and then delete. Working methodically helps you maintain a tidy collection and makes it easier to find what you truly want to keep. And that's it. You've learned how to find your unorganized saves and remove any photos you don't need. With a few quick clicks, your Pinterest space becomes cleaner and more focused on the ideas that matter most to you. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.